Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll dive into the exciting world of Arduino, specifically the latest addition to the Arduino family, the Arduino Uno R4. The Arduino Uno R4 comes in two flavors, the Minima and the Wi-Fi. As its name suggests, the Minima is designed for projects where simplicity and lower cost are important. On the other hand, the Wi-Fi model adds many features on top of the Minima specifications. The Wi-Fi model offers Wi-Fi connectivity that is important to IoT projects and allows your projects to communicate with the world without the need for additional components. Both versions of the Uno R4 boast significant improvements over the predecessors, including the R3. Enhanced power management ensures stability across various applications, while increased memory allows for more complex sketches and programs. Not to mention, the refined design makes it easier than ever before to integrate these boards into your projects. Getting started with the Uno R4, whether the Minima or the Wi-Fi, is as straightforward as possible. With the Arduino IDE, you can start programming your board in minutes. The possibilities are truly endless, from blinking LEDs to controlling motors and even fetching data over the internet with the Wi-Fi model. The Arduino Uno R4 Minima and the Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi models share several common technical features rooted in the design to cater to different user needs while maintaining the core attributes of the Arduino Uno series. So here's a breakdown of their shared technical characteristics. First, the 32-bit microcontroller. Both models have a 32-bit RA4M1 series microcontroller from Renesas, featuring a 48 MHz ARM Cortex-M4 microprocessor. This makes a significant upgrade from previous models that were based on 8-bit microcontrollers, providing enhanced processing power and efficiency. 2. Memory. The onboard memory includes 256 kilobytes of flash memory, 32 kilobytes of static RAM or SRAM, and 8 kilobytes of data memory or EEPROM, offering substantial space for more complex programs and data storage compared to earlier Uno models. 3. The operating voltage. The operating voltage for both boards is fixed at 5 volts, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of shields, accessories, and circuits that was designed for the previous Uno versions. 4th, analog and digital input-output pins. Both models provide multiple digital and analog input-output pins, including PWM for pulse width modulation capabilities on certain pins, facilitating various electronic projects and applications. 5th, connectivity options. Each board includes essential communication interfaces such as UART, SPI, I2C, and CAN bus, enabling them to connect with various peripherals and sensors. The Uno R4 Wi-Fi further includes Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities, courtesy of the onboard ESP32 module, expanding the scope for IoT or Internet of Things projects. 6th, power supply options. Both models can be powered through the USB-C port or an external power source via the V-in pin. The recommended input voltage range is 6 to 24 volts with onboard regulation to maintain the operating voltage. 7th, I already mentioned the USB-C port for power, but it's also used for programming. So this USB port allows for easier and more modern connectivity for programming and powering the boards, ensuring compatibility with current computer hardware. 8th, of course, the peripherals. Besides the standard peripherals, these boards have now advanced features such as a real-time clock or RTC, capacitive sensor unit, CTSU, and more, offering enhanced functionality for various applications. And 9, protection features. Schottky diodes are implemented for overvoltage and reverse polarity protection, ensuring that the board is safe during incorrect power connections. These shared features between the Arduino Uno R4 Minima and Wi-Fi models underline the flexibility and capability to serve as the foundation for various electronics projects, from simple educational tools to complex connected IoT systems. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. Drop your thoughts and questions in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Until next time, keep creating and exploring.